Welcome back, coffee aficionados. Today, we're diving into the world of unique brewing methods with the LOEFF&LEE Mark V Siphon coffee maker. This sleek tabletop siphon brewer isn't just a coffee maker, it's a conversation starter. With its vintage aesthetic and clever design, it's sure to impress even the most seasoned coffee connoisseurs. Let's talk about versatility. Not only does this siphon coffee maker brew a mean cup of joe, but it also doubles as a vintage tea maker. It's the perfect addition to any kitchen, offering both style and functionality. But what sets the LOEFF&LEE Mark V apart from other coffee makers? It's all about the physics. Using the power of vacuum pressure, this coffee maker delivers a smooth and flavorful brew that's second to none. Plus, with its portable mini stove, you can take your coffee luxury on the go. Now, let's talk about cleanup. One of the biggest hassles with traditional coffee makers is the cleanup process. Not with the LOEFF&LEE Mark V. Thanks to its clever design, cleanup is a breeze, leaving you with more time to enjoy your perfectly brewed cup of coffee. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your coffee game and impress your friends with a unique brewing method, look no further than the LOEFF&LEE Mark V Siphon coffee maker. It's stylish, versatile, and delivers a delicious cup of coffee every time. So why wait? Make coffee clever again with LOEFF&LEE. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.